Good day to all, ma'am and sir. My name is Joanne Jimena. I am 25 years old, single, but I have 4 years old son. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am graduate senior high school. I have one brother and 3 sisters, and I am the youngest among them. My work experience here in the Philippines, I work as domestic helper almost 2 years, and I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adult, 1 child, and 1 toddler. My main duties is taking care of toddler and all household chores like laundry, cleaning, cooking, and sometimes marketing. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me as your helper, I do my best, and I am very hardworking person, trustworthy, patient, and very respectful. Ma'am, sir, I'm willing to learn more and new experiences. Thank you.